Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to get a VAT number in the UK. Start by opening any web browser and visiting the official website of HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC. Once there, search for Register for VAT and choose the option to register online through the government gateway. If you don't already have a government gateway account, you'll need to create one using your email address and setting up a user ID and password. After logging in, begin the VAT registration process by entering your business details, including your legal name, trading name, business address, and the nature of your activities. You'll also need to provide your estimated turnover to determine whether you meet the VAT threshold or are registering voluntarily. Once you submit your application, HMRC will review your information and issue a VAT registration certificate containing your VAT number. This is typically sent within 30 working days, either online or by post. After receiving your VAT number, you can start charging VAT on your sales and submitting VAT returns to HMRC, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.